Hey, what's up everyone, this is Bro Smart, and in this video I'm going to show you the best photo and video settings for the Canon 200d DSLR camera. Before that, do subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell icon. For the Canon 200d full review, click on this YouTube card to watch that video. First I will cover the photo settings, then the video settings. Starting the video with the photo settings, turn on your 200d and set it to photo mode. Now open the menu by tapping on the menu button and then tap on the image quality. There's a heap of image quality options here. To get the most out of your DSLR, select the 24 megapixel 6000 by 4000 pixels image quality. If you want to click raw pictures, then select either only raw or raw plus JPEG. If you want to know what is raw in depth, then comment below, I will definitely make a video on that. Anyways, I selected the 24 megapixel quality, which is the highest, and I usually use this. Next up is the drive mode. Set the drive mode to single shooting. Keep the release shutter without a card on. Turning on and off image review is up to you. I usually keep it off. And enable the live view mode. If you are not using the viewfinder, then you can use the monitor to see what's going on your shot. And for that, enable the live view mode. Going left, there are other settings. Now these are very basic settings and I like to keep these at default. In play 3, turn the autofocus or AF point display off because it prints focus points on the photo, which is really horrible. Turn on the histogram display because that also helps. Now it's time for the video settings. Turn on your video mode just like this. If you are using the DSLR for the first time, you should go to this little wrench icon in the menu and open Setup 3. Tap on the video system, change the video system from PAL to NTSC. Make sure NTSC is selected, not PAL. If this is not done, you cannot shoot 60 fps video or 29 fps video, so select NTSC. Come back to first setting by tapping on this little camera icon. Tap on movie recording size. Select the resolution and the frame rate. For normal YouTube videos, select full HD 29 frames per second. For slow motion videos, select 60 fps. Next two video sizes are compressed version. If you have low storage space, then select that. Then we have the full HD 23 frames per second, 720p at 60 frames per second and 29 frames per second, and then VGA, which is history. After that, turn off the digital zoom because it destroys the video quality and the photo quality. And again, turn on the sound recording for recording audio with video, which is essential. Come to shoot 2. Enable the movie servo autofocus, then also turn on the AF method to face tracking just like this. Canon cameras have dual pixel autofocus technology. By selecting the face tracking, the camera will automatically keep your face in focus even if you move your head. It's the best. Going to shoot 3, I made a video on how to shoot a time-lapse video with the Canon 200d camera. Here is the video card. Watch this video to know in detail. That's it guys, there are more videos coming out on Canon 200d, so subscribe to BroSmart now and click on the bell icon. Like, share and comment below what you think about this video. All the important videos and links are in the description below, do check them out. Follow me on Instagram as BroSmart YouTube because I post amazing photos there and you should definitely like them. The link is also in the description below. Thanks for watching guys, this is BroSmart and I will catch you guys in the next video.